Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play classic games on your iPhone and also your Android operating system. So let's get started by open the Google Chrome first, or open your browser and try to search Delta Emulator. So the first one, this is the Delta Emulator app.com. You can click it and directly go to the website. So this Delta Emulator, this is a free emulator, free application. This is the all-in-one emulator for iOS, a new SNES, Nintendo 64, Game Boy emulator, and all iOS gamers here must have used Game Boy Advance emulator for playing Game Boy titles on their iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. So you can download it for free in this official site, but the game is excluded. You can try search the game outside this web, but first thing to do, download this with only 68 megabyte or more or less 70 megabyte, so you can read the changelog, the update of this Delta emulator. For the Android user, you can go directly to the Play Store and try to use this search to type emulator. Here you can see a lot of emulator here. For example, you can try to use a Game Boy emulator. This one I'm using this John Game Boy Advance Lite, so I can play a classic game like Pokemon, and other classic game in Game Boy Advance. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.